Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Gemini Western photo, only way. Start by choosing a clear reference image and set your camera to manual exposure. Position your model at center frame with shoulders relaxed. Use two lights placed at opposite Western angles to create a mirrored highlight and shadow effect. Pick a backdrop that contrasts with the subject and test small adjustments until the split balance looks intentional and dramatic. Set your lights deliberately and think in terms of west versus west angles for symmetry. Start with the key at 45 degrees and the fill at a slightly lower power to preserve contrast. Use grids or snoots to shape light precisely and keep the backdrop dark if you want more drama. Check for catch lights and control reflections on skin or props. Adjust power ratios incrementally until the Gemini split reads clean and intentional. Lock your camera settings in manual so exposure stays consistent between frames. Pick a focal length that keeps facial proportions natural and move the model, not the lens. Pose with slight head turns and chin adjustments to enhance the split light on cheekbones and jawline. Watch for shadows that cut through important features and soften them with minor light shifts. Take test shots and refine poses until the Gemini look feels balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.